If you think fast cars need loud exhausts, big wings, and a flashy badge from Japan or Germany, you're about to be proven completely wrong. Because some of the fastest, most dangerous cars on the road don't look fast at all. They don't scream for attention. They don't pop and crackle. They don't even try to impress you. They just pull up next to you quietly, and then disappear when the light turns green. Today, we're diving into 5 American sleeper cars that look like they belong in a grocery store parking lot, but will absolutely embarrass real sports cars. And yeah, I know most of you watching are into JDM builds, Turbo Civics, Supras, WRXs, all that. But trust me, these cars hit the exact same formula. Lightweight? Not always. Flashy? Definitely not. Fast. Way faster than they have any right to be. And the best part? Most people don't even know they exist. Let's start with one of the most overlooked brands in automotive history. Let's talk about the Saab 9.5 Aero. Now, be honest. When you hear Saab, you're not thinking street racing. You're not thinking performance. You're probably thinking, what even is that? And that's exactly why this car works so well as a sleeper. Saab was a Swedish company with roots in aerospace engineering, and that influence shows in how these cars were built. Everything about them feels different. The ignition between the seats, the cockpit-style interior, the way the turbo delivers power. But the real magic is under the hood. The 9.5 Aero came with a turbocharged 2.3-liter inline-4 engine, pushing around 250 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque in later models. Now on paper, that might not sound insane, but the way it delivers power is what makes it special. That turbo kicks in hard in the mid-range, so from a roll, this thing pulls way stronger than people expect. It's smooth, it's quiet, and then, suddenly, it's gone. And here's where it gets even better. These engines are incredibly tunable. A simple ECU tune can push them well past 300 horsepower. No crazy mods, no engine swaps, just software and basic upgrades. From the outside, though, it looks like a normal European sedan. No aggressive styling, no loud design, just clean lines and a subtle presence. Which means when you line up next to someone at a light, they have no idea what they're about to deal with. For JDM fans, think of it like a turbo sleeper build. It's got that same unexpected boost hit, that same under-the-radar energy, just with a Swedish twist. And the best part? These cars are cheap, like really cheap. So you're getting a unique turbocharged sleeper that almost nobody else is driving. And that alone makes it dangerous. Now, let's go to the complete opposite end of the spectrum. The Saturn Aura XR. This might be the most boring-looking car on this entire list. Seriously, this thing looks like it was designed to blend into traffic, like an NPC car in real life. Something you'd rent at an airport and forget about immediately. But that's exactly what makes it so effective. Because under that completely forgettable exterior is a 3.6-liter V6 pushing about 252 horsepower and 251 pound-feet of torque. Now again, those numbers don't sound crazy, but here's the thing. The Aura is relatively lightweight, and that V6 actually moves it pretty well. It's quick enough to catch people off guard, especially in everyday driving situations. This isn't a track monster. It's not trying to be. It's a "you underestimated me" kind of car. You pull up next to someone, they glance over, see a Saturn, and immediately assume they've already won. And that's where they make the mistake, because this car has just enough power to make things interesting. Just enough speed to surprise someone, and just enough anonymity to disappear into traffic right after. No one is remembering a Saturn Aura, and that's exactly the point. For younger drivers, this is also one of the cheapest ways to get into a sleeper build. You can pick these up for almost nothing, maintain them easily, and still have something that's fun to drive. It's not flashy, it's not aggressive, but it doesn't need to be, because the whole identity of a sleeper is being underestimated. And nothing gets underestimated more than a Saturn. All right, now things start getting weird, because the Pontiac Grand Prix GXP is one of the strangest performance cars America has ever made. And I mean that in the best way possible. At first glance, it just looks like another early 2000s sedan. Something you'd see everywhere back in the day. Nothing special, nothing exciting. But then you hear it. Because under the hood is a 5.3-liter V8. Yes, a V8. Making about 303 horsepower and 323 pound-feet of torque. Now here's the crazy part. It's front-wheel drive, a V8 sending all that power to the front wheels. That alone makes it one of the most unique cars on this list. And when you hit the throttle, you feel it. The torque steer, the raw pull, the way the car just fights for grip. It's not perfect, it's not refined, but it's fun, it's loud, and it's completely unexpected. Nobody looks at a Grand Prix and thinks it's packing a V8, which means when you pull away and they hear that deep exhaust note, it completely changes the situation. This car isn't about being the fastest on paper. It's about the experience. It's about the confusion. It's about the moment someone realizes they just got beaten by something they didn't even take seriously. For JDM fans, think of it like those unexpected builds. The ones that don't make sense on paper, but somehow work. That's exactly what this is. And that's what makes it memorable. Now we move into modern sleeper territory. The Ford Fusion Sport. This is one of the most dangerous cars on this list. And most people still don't realize it exists. Because it looks like a normal sedan. Like something you'd see doing Uber rides or commuting to work every day. Nothing about it stands out. But under the hood is a twin turbocharged 2.7-liter V6 pushing around 325 horsepower and 380 pound-feet of torque. And it sends all that power to all four wheels. That means AWD grip, instant torque, and brutal launches. From stop, this thing moves way faster than people expect. And once you add a simple tune, you're easily pushing over 400 horsepower. Now you're in serious performance territory. And the crazy part? It still looks completely normal. No aggressive styling, no loud presence, just a quiet, clean sedan that can suddenly outrun cars that cost way more. This is the kind of car that pulls up next to you, you ignore it, and then it's gone before you even react. For JDM fans, this is basically the American version of a turbo AWD sleeper. Think WRX vibes, but more subtle, more refined, and way more under the radar. And that's what makes it so effective. Because by the time someone realizes what it is, it's already too late. And now we end with what might be the most dangerous sleeper on this list. The Ford Taurus SHO. This is the final boss of boring-looking cars that are secretly fast. Because from the outside, it just looks like a big, comfortable family sedan. Something your dad would drive. Something you'd never think twice about. But under the hood is a twin turbocharged 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, making around 365 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque. And just like the Fusion Sport, it's all-wheel drive, which means one thing: launch. This car absolutely launches off the line. No wheel spin, no drama, just instant forward motion. And it hits way harder than people expect from something this big. With a tune, these cars can easily push into the 400-plus horsepower range. And at that point, you're not just surprising people, you're beating them. What makes the SHO so effective is how normal it looks. There's nothing about it that suggests performance. No aggressive stance, no loud styling. It blends in perfectly. And that's exactly why it wins. Because in a world where everyone expects speed to look a certain way, the SHO breaks that expectation completely. It's quiet, it's smooth, it's comfortable, and then it's fast. For anyone coming from the JDM world, this is like discovering a whole different category of sleeper. Same idea, different execution. Instead of lightweight turbo builds, you get torque, AWD grip, and effortless speed. And honestly, that combination is hard to beat. So there you have it. 5 American sleeper cars that prove you don't need a flashy badge or a loud exhaust to have serious performance. From the turbocharged uniqueness of the Saab 9.5 Aero, to the invisible presence of the Saturn Aura XR, to the absolute chaos of a V8 front-wheel drive Grand Prix, all the way to the modern twin-turbo power of the Fusion Sport and the Taurus SHO. Each one of these cars tells the same story. Real speed doesn't always look fast. Sometimes it hides in plain sight. And that's what makes sleepers so fun. Because it's not just about being quick. It's about surprising people. It's about that moment when someone realizes they completely underestimated you. If you had to pick one of these to daily, which one are you going with? Drop it in the comments. And if you know an even crazier sleeper that deserves to be on this list, I want to see it. Make sure you hit like, subscribe for more builds like this, and stay tuned because next time, we might be going back into the JDM world. or maybe mixing both. Until then, keep driving, keep building, and remember, the fastest car isn't always the loudest one. Sometimes it's the one nobody notices.